Hello everyone, Samita from CreativeTradingSystem.com. I'm making this small video as a weekly recap and trades taken. So let's get started. This is a gold chart, a trade taken here on the 15th. I made the chart on the 14th that is going to be dropping like this one. See that? So I made, sorry, not 14th, on the 11th, which was around 12, 13, maybe the last Thursday, Friday, and then it started to go down and then continue. And then this is the trade taken, right? So the idea, and it's still going down. I will make a separate video about gold completely. So this is the trade since it's supposed to be going down. So I took this one. This is S&P 500 going to the upside here. Buy orders right there on the 16th. And this is on the 16th. Nasdaq, beautiful entry, gone with the wind. And this is pound Aussie, right? This is a beautiful entry as well. And I made a couple of mistakes, but I also, I'll show you. Pound Aussie. This is the see if you go short here and it knock your SL out, that means that it's going up. And then look what happened right after that. Beautiful entry and then gone with the wind, right? So this is how it's 105 pip, right? So this is how it's supposed to be. Take it. So now pound Aussie again here going to the upside, and this one is, see this one, I took the short here. As you can see, there's this arrow, not me, but my EA, right? So what happened? It got knocked down, right? So no big deal. People ask me, why don't you show your losers? Well, they are there, but they're insignificant. My SL is always 25 pip. From 7-minute chart, it's only 15 pip. So if I hit my SL, what happened? I lost 25 pip here, but this one again took the entry and 145. Do the math, right? So why should I waste my time showing that, oh, this is how I lost? I'm not here to teach how to lose. I'm here to show you that this is the setup and this is, how you make money. What happened is that this is it's traveling. It's a good setup, and it's supposed to go down. But what happened? News comes out, right? And it comes out in opposite direction, and then boom, it goes to the opposite direction, and then give you the setup, and then go. That's happened all the time with the news. Sometimes it comes in your favor. If I'm short here and the news comes out in my favor, it will drop, right? But sometimes, even if the news comes out against me, my SL hit, no problem. You can always recover that going to the upside. That's simple. You're Aussie here again, right? So you go short here and then not it don't work out. Then later on it give you the 70 pip positive. Great, right? Similarly here, Aussie yen going down 85 pip, right? Gold again. Look, this one is the big one. What happens? FOMC, right? After that, first I said I'm not gonna get in at all. Forget it, right? So, but then I forgot that one of my computer had this chart, and that the EA was on that, and EA took it. When I saw it, it was all the way here. I said, "What the heck?" But thanks to FOMC, right? That's what happened. So this is how the EA is. It's very good. It's very helpful. It takes out the emotion. Simple as that. You make a decision. Should I not? Should I not? This says, EA says, what the hell with it? If the conditions are there, it opens the trade. Simple. So 85 pip here to the downside on the 18th, and on the 19th pound yen. Okay, this one also, I took this short here because it was a nice short, right? And there was a news for yen, red news, but it was tentative. So I said, I don't know when the news is going to come out. So I took the short. I even put it on the Telegram, right? And right after I did that, probably like not even 10 minutes, the news came out. And it came out opposite. Boom, it went up, right? By that time, I was gone to sleep, right? So I was sleeping, but what happened? My EA was on, and it took the long here, and that I couldn't put that on the Telegram because I was sleeping. So sometimes unfortunate things happens, right? So news is the key. This was tentative, so I didn't know when the news gonna come out, so I took it, and and then again I went to sleep, and that's what happened. And I think Euro yen also. Euro yen simple. This was taken as well. I took the pound yen and euro yen both manually to the downside, and I put it on the Telegram. But both went up because of the yen news. The yen got weaker. All yen pair went up, but these two, euro yen, pound yen, going to the upside, it gave me the and not until the EA opened the trade, and that was how much? This is 200 pip, and this is 145. right? So this is the system is system work, but I cannot be awake and put everything on the Telegram or say buy now, sell now, this and that 24 hours. I have to go to sleep as well. So when I'm awake, I see something, I put it in the Telegram, but sometimes it backfire, and then later a good entry comes in, but my EA take it, right? So if you wish, you want, you can just take the EA and then just do the same thing. That's what I'm doing. Here, pound Aussie on the 19th, beautiful entry taken by the EA, gone, right? This is also because of the news. Pound news came out bad, pound started getting weaker, boom, it dropped, and then entry dropped, 140 pip. This is pound USD from 20-minute chart. Pound was getting weaker, so this went down as well. And pound USD, this is from 7-minute chart. This is almost straight actually. I took it from his computer. The second entry, he saw my first entry and says, "What the heck happened?" I said, "So pound is getting weaker." I said, "Okay, I'm gonna put my on the 7-minute chart." I said, "Okay." So he caught that one. This error is there. So this is how 105 pip trade there. And CAD yen going to the upside. Yes, yen was going, getting weaker. So this was on the 19th and 405 pip. And then this is the gold trade again. This morning, Friday morning, the USD came after it dropped. It was dragging to the upside. But this morning, I think there was a news 8:30 US dollar, and then it came out bad. US dollar got weaker, and this took the entry here, and it went up 225 pips. And that was taken by the EA. And USD yen small trade from here. 105. Well, that's not small, but yeah, not too big either, right? So these are the few trades taken, and this is what happened. And mostly you saw that most of them taken by the EA, CTS 5 Live. It comes very handy. If you are not there, you just put it there and it takes it, right? Sometimes it takes and backfires too, but good one, you can't miss the good one, right? So you catch the good one anyway, which is like this. One of these cover your 4 losses, because and if the losses are completely full, most of the time it's like SL hit at break even, right? So for example, if it goes down here, for example, short here, it's not a short, but I'm giving you an example. If short here, so the price goes here, the price, my SL comes and sit on a break even, the price will go up and hit my SL at break even. Right, so that's what happened most of the time, and then eventually it catches the right one, and then boom, gone. Right. So this is how the week went last week, and let's see. I'll be going away for the weekend, and maybe a couple of more days into the next week. So let's see how thing goes. But this is what it is, and I'm gonna make before I go, I will make a video about the gold and overall market analysis, the US dollar index, and all of that. All right, so this is it for now. If you wish, go to my website. You want to get the system, you want to learn how to do these trades. And don't forget to also subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time. And like I said, I will make the gold video. Very important now. Wave 4 is about to end, and then wave 5 will start or not. More time will tell, right? But I have to go by the theory, the analysis. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later next week.